Practice, a concept so simple yet so complex. A mentality so in-depth yet so hard to grasp. Everyone does it, but do they really? If practice was real, no one would do it, because very few know what true practice is, and even fewer people actually put it to use. As stated by the Oxford English Dictionary, practice is to perform or exercise repeatedly or regularly in order to improve or maintain one's proficiency. In pen spinning, this directly translates to the action of spinning with focused intent of improving over a consistent period of time. The key words here are focused and consistent. Without mastery of both of these, mastery of practice is impossible. We'll start with focused. The definition of focus is to concentrate attention or effort, which most people probably know. What most people don't understand is how to actually be focused. We live in a hyper-distracted world today more than ever, where our focus is being constantly drained and taken advantage of. The ability to focus on a single task for an extended period of time is a dying skill. Yes, focus is a skill to improve your skill at other things. How do you train this focusing skill? There are several ways, and I'll list 4 of them. Number 4. Exercise. Yeah, you probably heard it a million times, so I'll keep it short. It's scientifically proven that a healthy amount of exercise improves one's ability to learn and retain information. Not only does it help with concentration, but it also makes the practice you do become more effective in creating new connections. Even just 5 minutes on the treadmill or a quick walk is a good starting point and is much better than doing nothing. Number 3. Doing things you dislike doing. 7:30 in the morning, your alarm goes off letting you know it's time to start the day. Oh, but it's so warm in the comforts of my bedsheet. It feels so good in here. I'll just snooze for another 10, 20, 40 minutes. When you do finally get up, you reach for your phone and scroll on social media. You look at the time and oh, it's time to practice now. How in the world are you going to be able to focus now? I'm pretty sure most of my audience is Generation Z. Studies have shown that Generation Z out of every other generation are messing up their dopamine and destroying their ability to focus. If you said no to the easy path and did the harder things, not only would you actually be challenging yourself and improving better that way, but your practice would be one of the only sources of dopamine instead of being a choice or something annoying to do. Look back at your morning. Let's say you understood that doing the hard things would make your life better and your ability to focus on practicing better. It's 5:30 in the morning and your alarm goes off. You feel especially awful today, you have a headache and are extremely tired. Old you would have probably slept in for at least an hour, but not now. Now you get up, smash your alarm and jump in the shower, taking a cold shower obviously. The brisk temperature of the shower shocks you awake and your headache hurts even more. However, you get used to the discomfort. After a while, your headache doesn't even feel too bad. This is your new way of living. Getting out of the ice cold shower, the previously uncomfortable air feels pretty good actually, even satisfying. You feel much more alert and are ready to start your focused practice session. You love practicing and love your life because you know easy choices, hard life. Hard choices, easy life. Number 2. Cut out every distraction. Checking your phone for the 20th time in the last hour, wondering how many people liked your comment on your new post. Your mind is filled with what people think, only after you think about that new game update that came out and how fast you could level up with the new jumping over running system. If only if you had that special level 2 mithril armor pack. But oh wait, your friend just texted you a funny meme about a fish burping in an exploding toilet. Then you finally think, maybe I should go and practice. How in the world are you going to be able to focus thinking like that? Your whole time practicing, you're going to be thinking about other things. Let's rewind. Instead, you have your phone in the other room, not because you're not trying to use it, but because you barely even think about it. You just came back from meditating. You do this to clear your mind so that the only thing that can fill your mind is the task at hand. You decide this task will be practicing. Now you can focus with extreme precision and get at least 4 times as much practice in half the time. Number 1. Meditate. Meditation is the key to concentration. Meditation not only has the benefit of improving the last 3 tips, but when combined with the last 3, can have exponential results. Learning how to control one's heart rate through meditation has incredible opposite yet similar effects of exercise. Meditation is also beneficial for focus in terms of doing the hard things over the quick dopamine rushes, because meditation has a somewhat opposite effect of those quick dopamine rushes and can teach you things similar to if you find meditation itself difficult. Meditation is also the complete opposite of a distraction. Staying focused on probably the most boring thing for an extended amount of time is sure to improve your ability to concentrate. These 4 things are just a handful out of the many more things you can do to help improve your focus while practicing. The ability to focus is just one part of the puzzle to solving the mystery of practice. Another piece essential to actually improving in your practice is consistency. Consistency, in simple terms, is always doing the same thing in a similar way no matter the circumstances. So many people have their problem of starting something and not finishing it. Improvement doesn't happen overnight. It happens over a long period of time of consistent practice. It's not enough to only practice sometimes on the weekends. It's better to practice for 1 hour every day for 10 days than to practice for 20 hours in one day. Your body needs time to rest and make new connections. We'll go over 3 ways to improve your consistency. Number 3, start small. Goal setting is essential to consistency, and a big reason why people fall at their consistency goals is that they make their goals way too big. Be aware of what you're capable of now, and set appropriate goals based on prior knowledge and experience. If you're struggling with practicing for more than 20 minutes a day, don't tell yourself you're gonna all of a sudden start doing an hour. You'll just be setting yourself up for failure. Instead, try doing 15. Then when you can successfully practice for 15 minutes a day, bump it up to 20. Then 25, then 30. Before you know it, an hour will feel like nothing. Number 2, something is better than nothing. It's almost midnight and you still haven't practiced at all today. Gee golly, that's just darned. I guess I'm not practicing today. No, even 5 minutes now is better than nothing today, because once you miss a day, you're more likely to miss another, and before you know it, you've fallen down the rabbit hole of not practicing at all. Number 1. Schedule your practice times. Okay, I should practice today. Sometime after breakfast probably. Wait, actually, I need to do this assignment and turn it in. Now that assignment's done, I can watch some anime. What's that? I have to go to school now? Oh yeah, I forgot. Oh, what a great day at school I just had. Now it's time to finish my homework. Huh? It's already time for dinner? Oh well, maybe I'll practice after. Let's watch some YouTube and go to bed. Oh wait, I forgot to practice. If you don't set a specific time to practice, more likely than not, you're not gonna do it consistently. Let's relive your day. I need to practice for 20 minutes now. Great. Now that that's done, let's eat breakfast and finish that assignment right before school. Okay, it's lunch break and I need to practice. Let's go to my favorite spot and practice like always. Scheduling your action and sticking with it is key to success. I'll leave you off with this quote I came up with. He who conquers his mind will conquer his giants and become one himself. If you feel like I missed anything, let me know. If you have any suggestions for future videos, write them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.